Today it is a traditional South Indian recipe. It is Bisibelebath. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. This is another one-pot meal. This is for students and the beginners. In a traditional way, Bisibelebath is little more complicated, but being a one-pot meal, yet you're not compromising on the taste, and easy, simple to make. Let's begin with the recipe. I'm going to switch on the hob. In the cooker, I'm going to pour in the water. Now the water is hot enough, about to boil. I'll add in the lentils. It is the Toor dal. I have washed and kept the rice. Adding the rice. With this, I'm going to add in few vegetables. Vegetables could be of your choice. With this, I'm going to add in a little bit of oil and some turmeric. Just give it a stir. Now I'm going to close the lid. I'm going to give it for 2 whistles. Now this is cool enough. Now it's the time to add the rest of the ingredients. I've taken some tamarind paste. I'm going to add in some water. Now after switching on the hob, I'm going to add in the tamarind. Here I'm using the ready Bisibelebath powder. In the description, I would even put in the recipe of the Bisibelebath powder. If you don't have, you can still make it yourselves. I'm adding in little Garam Masala and few pieces of Jaggery. You can substitute even with sugar. Salt to taste. I'm using desiccated coconut. Giving a nice stir. You can do a bit of seasoning. For this, I'm adding in some ghee. Few mustard seeds. With this, you can even add capsicum. You can fry it in this and add it to the Bisibelebath. With the traditional recipe of Bisibelebath, we made it into a one-pot meal. If you prefer any other traditional recipe to be in an easier version, you can ask for and comment below. We would definitely come back to you. For more recipes, you can subscribe and please like and share. Here I'm adding few curry leaves. Yeah, now this is boiling. We can allow it for a few more seconds. This definitely tastes good with more ghee. If you don't have the clarified butter, ghee, you can still use butter and do it. I'll switch it off. Yummy Bisibelebath ready in minutes. And I'm adding in some more ghee. The more ghee, the more yummier, with some crisps and some curds.